At isang mapagpalang araw muli sa inyo, bayang karerista. Narito na naman tayo sa Metro Manila Turf Club. At dito muli tayo sa Silver Bullet Productions kung saan kami po ay maghahatid muli sa inyo ng mga kaganapan na mangyayari ngayong araw mula sa inihandang pakarera ng PhilRacom, ang 2025 PhilRacom Commissioner's Cup. At meron nga tayong tatlong division dito, race number 1, race number 2 at race number 3, kung saan race number 1 pa lamang ay kapanapanabik na at nasabayan pa ng winner take all carryover na 3,137,648 and change. At magbabalik po kami para sa mga kaganapan dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Productions.
Pallavi goes for the only King James. Here comes Diversity. Joining on the outside is Easy Wade and followed by Barangkan Lahora. And as they lead the straight now, Pallavi being joined by King James. 2 lengths for the back to Easy Wade and followed by Diversity. Barangkan Lahora is next. 4 lengths for the back now is entry number 4. And there's Enigma Uno, but it's still Pallavi. Released by Pallavi, followed by King James. Then 2 lengths for the back, Easy Way, Diversity. Moving forward now for the other side, 2 lengths away to Barangkan Laon and Winner Parade. And as a race, the quarter now, no change with the leader, that's Pallavi, King James, Easy Way, Diversity. Here comes Barangkan Laon, Winner Parade. Bill Jordan also coming through, and towards the last 400 now, it is still Pallavi, leads by some 2 lengths, Diversity, and Winner Parade, now for the outside, down for the inside, Bill Jordan, final turn out, Pallavi calling on, here comes the couple runner, Bill Jordan, and Winner Parade, now for the outside, Pallavi and Winner Parade, now for the outside, Pallavi. And down to the finish now, it is here, Winner Parade, moving up, Barangkan Laon around the outside, Latrope, and finally, Winner Parade, Latrope, Barangkan Laon, Pallavi, Diversity. sophisticated. Radio outside now, Added Ha, moving up now, up and Billy. In the middle, Diamond Heart, and followed by Magna Cum Laude. While he's the lead, he's running on the tail to field. Out straight now, it's Secretary. It's Secretary, leads by Sam 3 lanes, followed by Pistolin Ola. Then followed now by Will Jordan. Radio outside now, Added Ha, then followed by Diamond Heart, 2 lanes, followed by Sophisticated. Magna Cum Laude next, while is the lead, he's running on the tail to field. Halfway now, Secretary, 2.5 lanes lead, Eastland all racing second. Here comes up and Billy, Radio inside now, Added Ha, 2 lanes for the back in fifth, Diamond Sophisticated. Here comes Magna Cum Laude, while is the win, still running on the field. As they raise the Martin, Secretary, holding on with Hotline leader, Eastland Ola, nobody else at Added Ha, open to his gun from the inside. Here comes Sophisticated, and as they wound up Martin, Secretary, Eastland Ola, Added Ha, nobody else at Sophisticated, down from the inside, Bill Jordan, or number 2 open Billy, and final turn now, Eastland Ola, now takes the lead from Secretary, Added Ha, nobody else by the still Eastland Ola with 3 lanes lead now, Added Ha, and Secretary Sophisticated, by the still Eastland Ola. Second, Added Ha, Secretary Sophisticated.
For the 2025 Piracom Commissioner's Cup Sonic Lane as they begin Barang Mandangral portion Worshipful Master Bashiru Dalar inside pit comes Jungkook Barang Manda Worshipful Master 3 wide Sonic Lane and in fourth Bashiru Jungkook in fifth Don Julio and Easy Does It is running at the tail of the field. Into the turn they go. Batang Manda is by the middle Worshipful Master. 3 wide Sonic Lane, Bashir in 4, Jungkook in 5th. And in 6, Don Julio and Easy Does It is still running at the tail of the field. As they swing down the back, 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Batang Manda, Worshipful Master on the outside, Sonic Lane, Bashiru. Jungkook, Don Julio, and Easy Does It. Batang Manda, Worshipful Master, give up matching their strides together. Don Julio, Sonic Lane, Bashiru, and Jungkook. Batang Manda, Worshipful Master, Bashiru, on the outside, Don Julio, and Jungkook. And it's still Batang Manda, Bashiru, fighting out for the lead. Jungkook coming closer in third, Worshipful Master, and Sonic Lane. Bashiru, Batang Manda, keep on fighting out for the lead. Jungkook still in third, Sonic Lane, fourth position, Worshipful Master, and Easy Does It. And it's still Batang Manda, Bashiru, fighting out for the lead. Bashiru on the outside, Batang Manda is running by the left. Jungkook in third position, Bashiru by a length and a half. And in second is Batang Manda, Jungkook on the outside, Easy Does It. Bashiru this time by about 3 lengths, and finally it's Bashiru for the Commissioner's Cup. Second is Jungkook, Batang Manda, Easy Does It, Sonic Lane, Worshipful.
and welcome back Bayang Karerista at natunghayan nga natin ang mga natapos na Commissioner's Cup ngayong araw. Race number 1 yung Division 3, race number 2 yung Division 2 at yung Division 1 naman na pinanalunan ni numero 5 Basharu. At makakasama nga natin, syempre, ang Class A Jackie Jonathan Basco Hernandez. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jackie JB Hernandez. Out of the 3 Commissioner's Cup, dalawa doon ang iyong nasungkit. And if I'm not mistaken, ito rin yung kauna-unahang panalo mo dito sa, kung tinatawag ng Philracom yung Triple Cup, dito sa Commissioner's Cup. Ito, di ba? At magkasunod pa. So, anong pakiramdam mo na you had this first win sa Commissioner's Cup nitong meron ng Triple Cup after pandemic?
Unang-una, siyempre, masaya. At least nakakabalik ulit ako sa nagpapanalo stake race.
Yun. And also kay Stulan Ola, mabalik tayo, no? Talagang pinanood mo lang na nagbabakbakan din sila secretary sa harapan and then right after that, narito ka na, no? Pagkakuha mo ng harapan, si secretary, parang pag naunahan mo na ito, mahirap na itong makabalik, eh, no? Sa tingin mo ba talaga, oy, akin na to?
Unang-una, nung medya milya, yung lagpas pa lang ng medya milya, yung kabayo ko humihila na eh. Kaya sabi ko, antayin ko lang yung rekta. Kaya nirektahan ko lang yung kabayo. Naitawid ko naman nang hindi na masyado nahirapan.
At si Stulan Ola rin yata yung last year na nanalo sa Commissioner's Cup 2024. Parang palit hinete pa ito, eh, di ba? Ikaw ngayon ang sumakay dito. At dito naman kay Basharu, ganun din, nasa ika-4 na pwesto ka lang, maganda yung pwesto sa labas. At pinapanood mo lang din na nagbabakbakan sila Batang Manda. Same strategy lang ba?
Hindi, unang-una, sa tingin ko ang pinanalo ni Basharu na hindi masyado maganda yung break niya. Tapos pinabayaan ko lang, at least hindi siya nakikipag-away. Kaya sabi ko, tayo ko lang din yung rekta na marami pa naman eh. Kaya rekta, siniguro ko lang yung dating.
Kaya talagang pagka-chuck ni Basharu doon na sa rektahan, wala na. Talagang sa'yo na rin ang panalo. So thank you so much, Jackie JB Hernandez, at congratulations muli sa'yo. Ano pa ba ang abangan kay Jackie JB sa mga susunod ng
Una-una yung mga kabayan ni Boss Elmer sa sweepstakes, sa Triple Crown. Yun lang po. Yun na kasi priority sa Boss Elmer.
Yun. Sige, last thing, any message sa ating mga viewers sa Silver Bullet Productions?
Silver Bullet, thank you. Supportahan po ang kanila.
Yun. At yan, maraming salamat din at congratulations sa connections ni sa Ma'am Melaine Habla and trainer Ruben Tupas. Naka-tripit sila ngayong araw. At hindi lang yun, 3 taon na rin na puro Habla stable ang nanalo mula kay Big Lagoon noong 2023. Tapos si Stulan Ola noong 2024. At ngayon, si Basharu naman 2025. Thank you so much, Jackie Jonathan Basco Hernandez. Magbabalik po kami. This time ay makakasama naman natin syempre ang anak po ng isa nating commissioners sa Philracom na si Sir Vic Tantoco. At ang makasama po natin ngayon ay si Sir Vic Tantoco II din. At kasama rin natin yung kanyang anak po na si Vic Tantoco III. Puro Vic Tantoco, sir? Puro Vic ang first name? Meron
Alam mo naman kami, hindi na kami nag-iisip kung ano magiging pangalan namin. Kaya kami nag 1, 2, 3 na lang. Kaya mga lamang, pag ito nagkaanak, Vic Tantoco po.
The fourth na, sir.
The fourth.
Yun. So,
Para madali tandaan.
well, anyway, sir, thank you so much for the information.
You're welcome.
In the first place, sir, of course, we would like to extend our condolences to the family,
thank
po,
you,
to your
thank
father, Sir Vic Tantoco Sr. So, since you take over, sir, the position of Sir Vic, ano na po ba yung mga ginagawa ninyo sa ngayon, sir, sa habang kayo po as
ayan.
commissioner sa Philracom?
Okay. First and foremost, magandang hapon sa ating mga bayang karerista. Kaya nagagalak ko na naandito ako. Ngayon, ang tanong mo, anong feeling? Alam mo, kami, pamilya kami ng mga karerista. Ang tatay ko at saka lolo at lola ko ay nabuhay sa karera. Ang ibig sabihin nun, ako lumaki rin sa karera. Kaya, nung ang tatay ko naging commissioner, I think almost 20 years siyang commissioner. Nakasama ako palagi sa karerahan, sa komisyon. Kaya sa akin, nung nawala siya, ako ang pinalit para daw hindi mawala ang Vic Tantoco sa PRC. So, masaya naman ako because I'm continuing the legacy of our family, it being with Philracom. At saka ang alituntunin namin is to make sure na ang karerahan sa Pilipinas ay masaya, walang problema, at most of all, trustworthy ang ating mga karera. So, make sure na nakikita nyo naman, for the last 2 years, pumapalo na tayo ng 300 plus thousand ng mga guaranteed. So, nag 300% na tayo.
Tama.
Yan dahil sa lahat ng ating mga kasamahan sa karerahan, ang club, ang mga ating pinaka-importante, yung mga mananaya, na sumusuporta palagi sa amin. Rest assured, ang Philracom will always be here to make sure that everything is okay. We will monitor and make sure that everything is fair.
Well, anyway, I want to congratulate
you.
you, sir, sa victory ng Commissioner's Cup.
Thank you.
Atid sa atin ng Philracom. At thank you so much for your time, sir.
Salamat sa
Thank you so
pag-interview,
much, sir.
pare. Okay.
And there you have it, Bayang Karerista. Natapos na nga yung ating Commissioner's Cup for today at talagang walang kakupas-kupas si Trainer Ruben Tupas kung saan 3 Commissioner's Cup ang kanyang napanalunan. Ganun din, of course, sa stable ni Madam Melaine Habla at ganun din yung kanilang mga jockeys. At hindi lang actually ngayong araw nakabingwit ng 3 panalo ang stable ni Mama Melaine Habla, kundi 3 taon na po silang sunod-sunod na nananalo ng Commissioner's Cup. Mula kay Big Lagoon noong 2023, Istulan Ola noong 2024 at ngayon naman kay Bashiru. Kaya naman, congratulations muli sa stable at connections ni Mama Melaine Habla. At muli, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-like, i-share at i-subscribe po ang YouTube channel ng Silver Bullet Productions at i-follow ang aming Facebook page. Kaya naman, kita-kita po tayo muli sa susunod na mga kaganapan. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Brian Centeno.